Wow, Tectonic token have continued to maintain an increase in price in the past few days, and now Tectonic token have continued to re-increase. Tectonic token have actually hit about 11% increase in price in the past 15 hours alone. Well, remember yesterday Tectonic token ended trading at $6.65, and today it's already gaining about 11% increase in price, and in terms of volume, of course, about 44% increase in volume. Now, one thing for sure, Tectonic token market cap also hit an increase of 10.80% increase in price. You can see Tectonic on all areas are really increasing, and I hope that this continued this week before the end of this month. We want to see Tectonic market cap hitting $15 million, and if Tectonic can hit that level for the end of the month, of course it's going to be a positive impact for Tectonic token, and I hope to see Tectonic token delete 10 soon. But according to some crypto experts, they believe that in the next 6 months Tectonic token is going to hit about 1000% increase in price once the developers try all their best to get Tectonic listed by some of the world crypto exchanges, and also if they can really burn off at least some circulating supply of Tectonic token. Remember, this coin have about 500 trillion coins in circulation as a supply, so if they can reduce this amount, of course it's going to add an impact to Tectonic token, and I hope that developers will also keep doing their best in order to see that this coin gain a lot of social media attention, and also impact and improvement on Tectonic token in terms of my market cap, in terms of price, in terms of wallet, in terms of trying to push Tectonic, in terms of trying to make this coin get in front of many crypto investors. That is the way people can really try to buy this coin. Yes, VVS Finance and Crypto.com are doing their best, but we need more. We want to see Tectonic token do more by gaining more social media attention, and want to see Tectonic token become one of the top crypto coins for the end of the year. And with that in mind, of course, Tectonic token is really going to increase in price. Well, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.